can you park your truck over here for me, please?
All right, here's the rule, though.
Can I go first? Is that big?
No, it's birthday boys first. You know that.
Daniel. Hey, come on. You're not good.
If you're not hitting the truck, hey Max, come this way, guys.
Go behind
You gotta stand behind the green square. If you're not hitting the truck, you gotta stand behind the green square. Okay?
Joseph, you want to go first since you're a birthday boy? Now. Hold on.
I don't wash you.
So what did you get?